Are you a student of English literature who do not have a clear understanding neither of English literature, nor your literary theory, nor your literary criticism and your culture studies? Because you come from this backward educational background where you go to the college and universities where your teachers are incapable to make you understand any of these concepts to its very core. PK Nair is the author that you need to study. I can't even imagine any of the Indian student who come from such a background can understand any of these concepts without his writing. He has done such a great job. I hugely admire this person and I do idolize him in the field of academics, and I want you to look up to such a people who have done something great. And don't you dare not to share this video with the other people out there, because your one share can save someone else time, money and future before they fell prey to these scandalous tutors, rubbish and the crap coaching classes which they are providing for NET examination. So wake up, and for more informational video like this, keep watching My Professor Note.